Alright, hello guys and welcome to my new YouTube channel. It's called The Gaming Chimp, and as you can see I have a pretty good hanger. I have like Megan, Surge, Redux and everything else. I'm just going to change my Surge's skin to Chroma, I think it's called. And then we are going to jump right into a free-for-all battle. Okay, but later on the channel you guys might see my friends Edward, Dylan and Jack. But that's only a maybe, it's not like positive. So it might not happen. It could be just me. Okay? And my little brother, and if you're wondering why my YouTube channel is called Gaming Chimp, it's because I am the gamer and my little brother loves monkeys, so he is the chimp. Okay, we're gonna go with the demon, trying to get first blood. I always get first blood. I'm amazing at getting first blood. I don't know what. Oh God, I thought it was AFK. Get tricked there. It's got to be a pretty good player. I'm gonna target him with Surge. I have quite a weird matchup with Surge too. Maybe even Guardian too. People might be surprised by how good this build actually is. Okay. I misselect in the back. Yeah, good job. That was a really smart idea. I'm gonna go in with my Surge. I haven't really actually played much with the Misselect 8, so I'm actually gonna do the Misselect 8. Alright guys, 2 Lancers. This should be easy. Okay, that was very easy. Oh, Voltaic RPGs. I have no idea why I just ran straight towards it. How did this Guardian with pulse cannons go behind? We're gonna go in with. Oh, I guess we're going in with Surge. That sounds like auto cannon. Oh, it wasn't auto cannon, but yes, I'll take RPGs. He has a good reason for the auto cannons on Guardian. Oh God. Alright. Oh, I did not know that there was another Surge. Okay guys, so this might be a pretty tough match. I want to get godlike on this, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get godlike on this one. Is that the Surge? That better not be the Surge. Okay, it's a Guardian. Whoa! Oh, I've got my Redux just. Why does it have like Misselect 8 and Misselect 6? That's the thing that I don't get. They always have like weird combinations. Sometimes I do. I don't know what. Oh, it's as if I'm gonna run. Oh, I can't run in time. Oh no. Okay, I'm dead. I knew that I was dead. Oh, I got to in 10. That is very good. But as you can see, I've been playing Mech Arena for quite a long time, and I just started recording, and I have just started YouTube. So, and if you're wondering, I have the Arco 2 and 10 and 6 on here, because for some reason my Redux only has 16-inch capacity. I almost said 18. I don't know why, but like I always go in a battle with like really hard mechs to fight with. I'm gonna hit him. I'm not gonna use my Storm Dash just yet. That's why. Because we're gonna use that on him. Oh, no. Oh, it's Bastion. I did not know that there was a Bastion. I'm just in first. Oh, and there's another Bastion. This is just great. Oh God, that's so much health. Oh, EM rifle as well. Well, at least it's a 6, okay guys? That is what we are thankful for. And if you are wondering, my little brother, My little brother's favourite animal is a monkey, so that is also another reason why this channel is called a gaming chimp. Wait, I thought there was something else actually killed me, but that surge is definitely going to get first place MVP for sure, or at least like second and third. Okay, I have gotten the new award. I think it's kill leader. Uh-oh, that's a redox. There's the arachnos. Internet connection lost. The internet is really bad right now. I don't know why. Okay, guys. Yes, we got another spider turret. We are doing very good, guys. There's couldn't get that set. Oh, outside the top 3. Okay, that's right. Yeah. That's from the new award. It's called Kill Leader, I'm pretty sure. Okay. So we didn't do too good on that first one. But as you can see, I do also have some other legendary things. Just gonna get rid of that. Okay, so we have some awards. I'm not gonna bother them. Oh, nice, nice. And it's great. Oh, we got a Zephyr one. Okay. Well, and as you can see, guys, I have a Gatecrasher and I have a Zephyr. I have Tengu. I have Lancer. I don't know why I've chosen Lancer. It's stupid because no one even plays with Lancer anymore. Because Lancers are like the worst mechs ever. We're gonna do maybe like one more battle. Yeah, one more. One more should be enough.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go, guys. Not kill the shadow, get first blood. I hide. Whoa! Here's the thing I never noticed, guys. Look, so all these legendary mechs are like good mechs, but then there's just like some really trash mechs. Okay, got him. Even though we got stunned, I'm gonna save my backtrack until it is like really important for when like the javelins come in. Oh, that was a Zephyr. No! System crash. Okay, go. Oh, I see a Redox over here because of that Classic Blast. It's probably this. No, that's a Stockable. Still gonna kill it. Backtrack. Now let's backtrack away, guys. Oh god, I think that this might actually be a worst spot to be at. Only if it sees me. Okay, I didn't see him, so I'm gonna kill it from the back. Got it! Okay. I'm gonna go try and waste someone's ammo if it's right in this area. Oh god, I didn't see those javelins. Javelins are very annoying. Oh, and guys, later on in the channel we might be doing some Fortnite and like other games, not just Mech Arena. Okay, guys. So like we're not just gonna get Mech Arena, because eventually you'll definitely get bored of Mech Arena, won't you? Everyone will get bored of Mech Arena if that's the only thing I play. But I have to give respect to that Redox. That Redox is really good, especially if he earned it. Like me, I earned mine. I also, oh god! I tried to get double KO, but I couldn't. But But for like these guys who have like insanely powerful mechs, you have to give respect to them. At the end of each match, if I think that there's a player, I will give respect to them. Okay, so oh god, okay. He's probably a player. Yeah, he is a legendary implant. That's quite good for him. Good for him. Not good for me. Gonna get him. Because I waited for the MD because this MD is weaker, so I could get it with the Arco Torrent. I'm not just gonna let it kill me. It's hard to take my whole hanger down. Like really fast. Because my Guardian has a ton of health. And my Redeemer is also incredibly good. Out of ammo again. We're gonna system crash him. We're gonna get him from the back. Okay, we might actually be able to kill this dude. Okay. Okay, got him down. I think his name was Shadow. Oh god, Javelin Rack 8. He probably knows that Javelin Rack 8's just making this. I don't know if that guy was a player or not. I don't think he is. Cause like, I don't know why, but like right now, like all the bots have Javelin Rack 8s. Kinda weird. Oh god, shot is. I'm not gonna let him hit me in the back. But he still two shots me. Okay, that's definitely a player though, guys, okay? So, just to be sure, I am not being like bad. These are just some very strong opponents. But we still got unstoppable, but that's good, that's good. We're doing quite good with Redeemer though. Redeemer's got most of these kills. And now we're gonna run from those Arco turrets. Okay guys. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. This is very hard, okay guys? I'm really trying to can't get godlike, but that is okay, we still got rampage. Okay, we somehow got 14th place, okay? So, Redeemer did good with that rampage there, guys, okay? But that'll be it for this video. I will see you soon, guys. And by soon, maybe in like a couple of minutes. I don't know. We're gonna end it there.